Welcome back. Now that our alerts are operational, it's time to customize your public tipping page. On the left is your builder, and on the right is your live preview. Every change you make here updates instantly on the right, so you know exactly what your fans will see. You can set your display name, drop in a tagline, and even set a tip goal to rally your community. You can add your social links. Just type in your handles for X, Instagram, or Rumble, and you'll see the corresponding icons pop up in your preview. It's a great way to keep your fans connected across all your platforms. But for your main streaming platforms like YouTube and Twitch, we take it a step further with verified connections. This ensures that the links on your page are the real deal. Once you connect via OAuth, the connection card lights up in the platform's brand color, like red for YouTube. This instantly adds an official button to your tipping page and grants you the verified checkmark next to your name. PopTip even unlocks your official channel handle for you to use as your tipping link. Just click Use this handle to claim your brand across the entire platform. Now just hit Share Page to copy your new link. If we open that page, you can see your verified profile is live and professional. Now that our identity is set, it's time to head into OBS and get everything live.